Hello and welcome back to the Shaver Ranch Plus Wolves.
Howdy, folks. Welcome back to the gardening of 2018.
It has been a while.
It's exciting. Well, winter time's full of snow. We don't have a lot going on, so spring has sprung in North Idaho. Beautiful thunderstormy day, and we're getting a lot of stuff done in the garden. These are just berries that are growing in from last year and got some flowers in. Over here, all of these survived the snow, and we just had to put in like 2 or 3, additional strawberries to fill it in. So these are coming back nicely. Very happy about that.
We're gonna fix that garden table eventually.
Yeah, eventually.
We're gonna go to Habitat for Humanity and probably get some, those partition walls for bathrooms, a big heavy-duty plastic.
Something like
Good
that.
stuff.
What I'm going to do this year is I'm going to put, these are wood shavings. I'm going to put those on the garden as a mulch layer. Some people put thick mulch, and I don't know if I want to do that because you have to till it in and everything at the end of the season. If I till this in, it'll be perfect.
Yeah.
Along with all the leaves. Oh, another thing is, last fall we tilled in a bunch of leaves and pine needles that we raked up.
Yeah.
Too much.
Way too much.
Because in the fall we tilled those in, and it was a pain to try to get it deep enough to mix it all.
Yep.
And I had to still rake a bunch of it out and get rid of it. But the stuff we left made it really nice.
Yeah.
Added the organic material in.
And aerated it out nice.
Got a couple
we're
of
getting some hiccups.
Oh, got a couple of rosemaries replaced from last year. These are berries that are coming back.
Snowball's still around.
Of course, catnip we got all over the place. So let's go.
It grows like a weed. Yeah, I need to get a new phone. This camera is not working out so well anymore.
These are berries, and if you remember from last year, or if you haven't seen it yet, we used to plant in here, but the berries have kind of taken over, and we're gonna let them because they're delicious. So boom,
Good source of food.
tons of it's.
The chickens are over there.
I think of berries as God's candy store.
Yeah.
And it's a momentous day because these are potatoes, and the first one is popping up right there. It's always a glorious day when the first potato pops out of the ground.
Get a snowball.
Yeah, because that's a bunch of catnip. So, onward and outward. These are all different varieties of potatoes. Oh, yeah, I think there's another one popping up there. Very happy about that. We planted them about 3 weeks ago, I think.
Yeah.
Today, I planted, if I can get around you,
Yeah.
cabbage. Now, I had a bunch of aphids and cabbage moth problems last year, so what I'm going to do is plant these here, along with over here kale, which also had the same problem. And I'm going to put netting, since these are raised beds.
Yeah.
Put like a mosquito netting type of stuff over them as they grow to try to keep them protected.
Yeah.
This year I'm not going to put a bunch of corn out there because it's a lot of space just for an ear of corn.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 if you're lucky. So this year, just to get a taste of corn, I'm just putting 9 corn stalks here.
All right.
Yeah. So over here were the sunchokes.
Uh-huh.
This is a berry. This
Volunteering.
Hey, get out of the way. If you look close, these little sunchokes are coming back.
Yep.
I replanted sunchokes last year when I harvested, and then I thought, wait a second, these stalks where they were growing was a big old root ball.
Yep.
And I figured, hey, they're gonna grow back. So look, all over the place.
Yep, they're growing all around them.
Look around, there's all kinds of sunchokes popping back out.
Just joining us, or if you remember from last time, sunchokes grow like a weed, so you have to isolate them because they will you'll never get them out. They'll
If you
always
plant
grow.
them in your main garden, you're gonna have a garden of sunchokes in a few years.
Yep.
So in order to maximize room, I had so many potatoes, I just went ahead and all these divots are potatoes. They're all root crops, so at the time of harvest, we'll just harvest potatoes and sunchokes.
Cool. We have a big chance of thunderstorms, so it's very windy and very eerie out.
We had a couple of good shots of thunder.
Just pretty soon. Yeah.
So basically all I've done so far is these are more potatoes.
More potatoes.
And out there are tomatoes we got put in. And stuck up.
There's from last year.
Yeah, these are seed potatoes I had in the basement. I got too many potatoes. This is what they did in the basement.
Yep.
And I got more in here.
Boom.
But being the prepper types, we want to be sure, because all these I bought at the store.
Yeah.
Fresh seed potatoes. If I couldn't have, for some reason, I
And we
got
got
all of these.
Yep.
And I got some onions that we're gonna plant around the edges.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't mention the forks. These
Yeah.
are little, I put like 3 seeds in each area for the cabbage, and this is to keep the cats from digging and
Digging at them.
doing their business in my cabbages.
Yeah.
So, other than that, we got some flowers in.
You know, for the holidays, or, well, that's more of a Christmas term. It's for the spring holidays. Yeah.
We put these little solar lamps in.
Beautification.
They're really neat. Got 2 more solar lamps over there.
And because we can't grow grass there because of all the traffic and the deer, we just put some gravel there.
Some pea gravel. So,
We're already starting for next year's wood too.
yeah,
All that we can.
as time goes on, and as we're really busy right now, so as time goes on, I'm gonna keep planting my seeds in
Yep.
here, and boom, we're getting there.
Cool.
So this is a start.
Yeah.
Start of the season. This is my corn. It's like an inch.
Uh-huh. So you could plant the seeds properly. It's also good for pointing things out.
That's right. Okay.
So, if you like this, please like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds great. Bye.
Bye-bye.